Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the asset file is clean and saved. Do not import yet. Open the scene that will host the reference, then choose File, Create Reference, and pick the source scene. This preserves the source and links changes automatically. Once done, rename the reference node and lock any transform channels you won't animate to prevent accidental edits. Make sure to save an incremental version so you can revert. This step avoids broken links and keeps your pipeline stable. Now focus on controlling the referenced asset without breaking the link. Use the outliner to find the reference node, then apply display or material overrides so you can tweak appearance in shot. If you need to animate, parent a proxy transform above the reference rather than editing the source. Once done, manage file paths with the reference editor, reload when the source changes, and use import only if you must bake edits back into the scene. These steps preserve collaboration and prevent accidental source edits. Finish by checking all reference paths, making them relative if required by your pipeline, and then save a clean, published scene. Export a scene assembly or update the central asset entry so others get the latest. If something goes wrong, first reopen the reference editor. Try reload, fix the path, or remove and re-reference the corrected file. These are faster than rebuilding. Remember, keeping good names and incremental saves is the single best troubleshooting habit you can adopt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.